Well, gonna give me opinionated peeps. Welcome back to another episode of Unstoppable's Opinion. Now remember, this is my opinion. My opinion is not law, nor is it the gospel, but it is mine, and I am entitled to it. With that said, make we jump into the discussion. Now, most of you may remember a couple of weeks ago, I come and address a woman, a old tegereg, a very aggressive woman who was beating a man with a machete. Now, in that video, from the short, we get to understand that the reason why she beat the man with the machete is because she claims say him carry her name, go somewhere and did a chat her, right? Now, first of all, like I said in the last video that I did, there is absolutely no reason for her to be beating that man with the machete. No matter what she think him do or even what him do, there was absolutely no reason. And when me said that without any apology. In the previous video, I was very upset. I may express my anger about it. And the reason why I was upset is because me is a youth, me not tolerate no form of abuse. Whether it's towards a woman or towards a man. There is no right for anybody to be beating anybody with a machete. So with that said, make we listen to these people.
It's not every day you see a video of a woman literally beating a man into submission. However, such was the case in Westmoreland when a woman was caught beating a man with a cutlass in what appeared to be a yard. She accused him of rumor mongering, a claim the...
No. When you hear that, she accused him of rumor mongering, which is like I said earlier, if you all understand what rumor mongering is, right? She accused him, say, him go somewhere, go chatter with somebody, carry her name, go say she said this and go say she said that, right? Now, people, is that a reason for you go take a machete and slap up somebody? Eh? Is that a reason for you to take a machete and slap up somebody? Now, remember, in the previous video that I was venting, me say, listen, I just hope that the authorities take the time out of them busy schedule and go pick up this woman, charge her and lock her up, right? Because there has to be some examples set. Because if it was the other way around and it was the man who did a slap her up with a machete, without a doubt, in a split second, the police would have found him and them would have charged him and he would have get locked up. Plain and simple. Yeah, but make we continue to listen some more of this.
The unsuspecting man denied. The incident occurred in early February. Police say a report by the complainant, the man, was made nearly a week later, and the accused was arrested on Tuesday.
Now, let me say this. Big up to the brother if you go file a report. Because most men would not have done so, Most man would have feel like say, yo, them too macho, them can't go take the embarrassment and the disrespect, you understand? So them now go file a report and say, woman beat them and these things. But yo, most of the man we out there need to stop that. You understand me? I say if you no sit down and take beating, yo, stop take beating. A full time you brave up and go file a report and go get the person who abused you arrested. You understand me? I say, no sit down in it. It don't make sense. It don't make sense at all.
On Tuesday, DSP Adrian Hamilton is the head of operations for the police in Westmoreland.
On Tuesday, February 23rd, 2021, we arrested and charged a 40 years old Shernet Beckford, a vendor of Petersfield, Westmoreland, after a video of her was seen viciously inflicting machete blows to a man in the parish.
You hear what the superintendent say? You hear what the superintendent say? Viciously inflicting blows. Seeing people for all who see the video, this woman was not barely tapping the man, man. She'd have whap him backside with the machete, Now, while I was watching that video, the question I was asking is, what if one of the time then when she swing the machete, what if one of the times when she swing the machete, it did just flip on the sharp side and chop the man somewhere and then it take him life? You can imagine what would have come out of that, people. You see, the devil's strong, So that could have happened, people. It's not impossible for that to happen, She was beating the man viciously with a machete.
The incident took place on Sunday, February 7th and was reported to the police on Saturday, February 13th. Following investigation, a case file was prepared and Ms. Beckford was subsequently arrested and charged with assault occasioning bodily harm. She's booked to appear in court on Tuesday, March 16.
And if bad things...
Now, I'm going to tell you something, people. Big up to the police, them. Big up to the police, them, who go pick her up, charge her, and make sure I forgot appear in front of a judge. So big up to the police them. But me I gonna say something too. You see, me have to big up the brother once again because him go press charges and make the police them go fear. You understand? Now me just hope say when this go in front the judge make a example out of her. Nobody give her no fine. Nobody give her no 1 week on probation and all of these things. No, we don't want a community service. We want the judge make a example out of her. So other woman out there who feel like say, yo, you can beat man, get to realize and understand that there is going to be a price you're going to have to pay if you feel like it is okay to beat a man. You understand? Yeah. Me feel like said this one here supposed to be made an example, right? And before anybody come and jump in my comment section and talk about unstoppable man a beat woman for years, so nothing no wrong if woman start do it now, because we know someone out the dark minded like that. Let me make sure make this clear once again. I do not tolerate any form of abuse, whether it be man a beat woman or woman a beat man. Me not tolerate it. Period. So before you comment that, make sure you say that sink in. Seeing me, I tell you straight up, say me want when she go a court. Me don't want the judge say, oh, because this may be your first offense and you've never committed any acts like this before, we're going to give you a slap on the wrist. No, make an example out of she so that the other one them all they all feel like it is okay if you take up machete or anything else and beat a man. Understand the seriousness of it. And may I reach out to the man them again. We're in a situations like this out there. If you're in it, my brother, yo, don't sit down and take no beating from no woman. Me know you might feel some type of way if you say, yo, yeah, me can't go to no police station because it's embarrassing. Yes, it is an embarrassing situation. But brother, at the end of the day, hear what? The law is there to protect the whole of we, you know, not only woman, you know. The law is there to protect we too as man. You understand? And yes, you have some woman. Remember, me understand the situation because it's an embarrassing situation. But here is not that you can't knock out a woman in a brother. But because you know, say if you do it all in a defend yourself, the police are come for you, you know. You understand? So you just sit back more time and just lower and make she do what she do. But you not have to do that. If she do what she do and you feel like it's a violation to you and your safety, go to the same police then where she would have run to and file a report. It's how I see it, brother. Don't sit back and take that. Because me personally, if that should have ever happened to me, but I feel like me afraid to go file a report. Me I go to the police station, me I go file a report and me I go say, yo, make she spend 3 nights in a jail in a officer. Make she understand the seriousness of what she do. You see it, plain and straight. So all of my brother them out the way I go through something like this, take it from unstoppable. This is my opinion. As me tell you, you don't have to take it as the gospel or as law. But remember, me I tell you, say, if you're out there and you go through this, report it. Don't sit down and take it. And me reiterate this too to the ladies. Don't sit down and take no beating from no man neither. Me can't say that enough. You understand? If you're there with a man and him a beat up on you, you don't have to stay in it. I mean, no, some amount of financial situation may not be the best, right? But no money can't make me stay with nobody where go beat me. You understand what I say? No amount of money not gonna make me stay with nobody where I go beat me and put my life at risk and abuse my body. No. See? So watch ya, people. Chat me down in the comment section. Make me know what you think about this. And my officer once again, big up to the police officers who arrest this woman. Make an example out of her. You see what I say? Because more out there need to know. Say it now go just go so. Alright, people, remember, my opinion, not the law, not the gospel, but it is mine and I'm entitled to it. I want to hear what you have to say down in the comment section because remember me always tell you know, your opinion matters. My gun, see? Little more.
Unstoppable you, unstoppable you, unstoppable you.